Have you ever wondered how your favorite noodles are made in a factory? Today, we're going behind the scenes of a massive noodle manufacturing facility to uncover the incredible process that turns simple ingredients into millions of packets of noodles every day. Let's get started. Noodles are one of the most consumed foods worldwide, with billions of servings enjoyed every year. Whether it's instant noodles, fresh noodles, or dried pasta, large scale factories ensure a fast and efficient production process to meet global demand. The process combines automation, precision engineering, and high quality ingredients. Let's begin by understanding the core components of noodle making. The primary ingredients for making noodles are flour, water, salt, and sometimes eggs or preservatives. At large scale factories, thousands of kilograms of flour are stored in massive silos before being automatically dispensed into the mixing machines. Some factories also add special ingredients like alkaline agents for texture and color or flavor enhancers for instant noodles. An advanced computer controlled system ensures the precise amount of each ingredient is added. This guarantees consistency in taste, texture, and quality across millions of noodle packets. Once the ingredients are combined, they move to the next crucial step, kneading and mixing. Once the flour and water mix together, a thick dough forms. Large industrial mixers work at high speeds, kneading the dough to achieve the perfect consistency. This process usually takes 10 to 15 minutes, ensuring the dough is elastic and firm enough for shaping. After kneading, the dough is flattened into large sheets by powerful rollers. These giant dough sheets are then gradually reduced in thickness as they pass through multiple rolling stations. Now comes the moment when the dough transforms into actual noodles. The flattened sheets are fed into high speed cutting machines, which slice them into thin strands of uniform size. These machines work with incredible precision, ensuring that every noodle strand is the same thickness and length. Depending on the type of noodles, factories use different cutting techniques. Instant noodles are often wavy, while pasta and fresh noodles might have straight or rounded shapes. Once cut, the noodles are sent to the next stage, steaming or drying. For many noodle types, especially instant noodles, steaming is a crucial step. The freshly cut noodles pass through a steam tunnel where they are cooked at a precise temperature for a short duration. This ensures they maintain their texture while becoming partially cooked for easier preparation later. After steaming, the noodles become firmer and develop their final texture. At this stage, some noodle types move directly to the packaging stage, while others require drying or frying. Drying is an essential step for long lasting noodles like dried ramen or pasta. The noodles travel through hot air drying tunnels where they slowly lose moisture over several hours. This prevents spoilage and extends their shelf life. For instant noodles, frying is a game changer. Instead of drying with hot air, instant noodles are flash fried in vegetable oil at high temperatures. This process removes moisture in just a few minutes, giving the noodles their crispy texture and quick cooking ability. One of the best parts of instant noodles is the seasoning. After drying or frying, the noodles are paired with flavor packets containing spices, dehydrated vegetables, and other ingredients. Factories use precise measuring equipment to ensure consistent taste in every pack. Before the noodles reach store shelves, they go through strict quality control checks. Advanced cameras and sensors detect any defects, ensuring only perfect noodles make it into packaging. Finally, the noodles are packed into individual servings, cups, or bulk packs using fully automated systems. Some brands even use vacuum sealing technology to maintain freshness. The packaged noodles are then stacked, loaded onto trucks, and shipped worldwide. And that's how your favorite noodles are made at a massive scale. From simple ingredients to a perfectly packaged product, every step in the process is carefully designed for efficiency and quality. Next time you enjoy a bowl of noodles, you'll know the incredible journey they've taken to reach your plate. If you enjoyed this behind the scenes look at large scale noodle production, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing food production videos. Let us know in the comments what other factory processes you'd like us to explore. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.